My name is Yukinori Kawae. I'm an Associate Professor of Institute for Advanced Research in Nagoya University in Japan. I'm also one of the 2016 class Emerging Explorer of National Geographic Society. My field of expertise is Egyptian archaeology. I first saw the Giza Pyramid in 1992. As a 19-year-old, having just graduated from high school and moved to Cairo from Japan. I ultimately spent 16 years in Egypt, during which time I graduated from the American University in Cairo with BA in Egyptology, under the supervision of Dr. Salim Ikram and Dr. Faiza Heko. I began my academic career as a member of Ancient Egypt Research Associates, led by Dr. Mark Renner. I was one of the supervisors of the excavations at the site of Hetel Grab, lost city of the pyramids. Currently, I'm mainly working on 3D surveys of the pyramid at Saqqara, Abu Sir, and Giza as an interdisciplinary research project. In April 2021, in the time of COVID-19, we opened Japanese YouTube channel about ancient Egypt, so that people can learn about it online. And it was viewed by many people. And quite a few people have asked us to open an English YouTube channel as well. So we decided to open an English channel this November 2022 to coincide with the 100th anniversary of the discovery of the Tutankhamun tomb. We hope you will enjoy this YouTube channel and become more interested in Egypt. And please travel to Egypt one day and see pyramid with your own eyes.